Hello everyone, and today we'll show you how to use your AfterPay on Cash App. First, you want to open your Cash App and make sure that you are signed in into your account. Then you want to go and click on this activity icon on the bottom right side. Now, this tab shows you all your recent transactions. From the list of transactions, find and select the AfterPay purchase you want to pay for. Once you open it, you will see all the details of your transaction. Look for the button that says Pay and tap on it. Next, Cash App will ask you to choose the amount you want to pay. You can type in the full payment amount or a smaller amount depending on what you want to pay at that time. After entering the amount, tap Done, and your payment will now be processed through Cash App and sent to AfterPay. Make sure you have enough balance in your Cash App before making the payment. Once it's done, you will see a confirmation in your Activity tab. And that's all for today. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.